when routine bites hard and when visions are low and resentment rides high, but emotion won't grow, and we're changing our ways, taking different roads. Love will tear us apart again. Love will tear us apart again. Why is this bedroom so cold? You turned away on your side. Is my timing's at fault? Our spectrum so dry. The answer still is appeals that we kept through our lives. Love will tear us apart again. Love will tear us apart again. You cry out in your sleep, all my failings exposed. Answers is taste in my mouth as desperation takes hold. Why something so good just can't function no more?